Best Keyword Research Tool for Blogger in 2021. Hi guys, today I'm showing you around a research tool that you can use in order to do keyword research for your blogs in 2021 for free. So let's get started. So I have found this research tool which is called BIQ, and it is completely free, and you can do your research tool for your blogs with BIQ in 2021. So what you have to do is just go to biq.cloud, and this is where you will get. Now I'm gonna go ahead and log in, and you're gonna just sign up with your Google account or log in with your Facebook. So after you sign up for BIQ, this is where you will get. Now you can see right here that all of these features are completely free, that I can avail for completely free. I just signed up with my Google account and this is what I am getting. So you can see right here that I can generate semantically related keywords, conduct research for local SEO, uncover content ideas, popular questions and trending searches, and many more. Then there is this option in which analyze 25 crucial ranking factors, conduct word vector SEO analysis. Then there is discover ranking that you don't even know, reveal your hidden rankings. And then there is track ranking of your page, track ranking of your keywords, tracking of position 0 and extra SERP features, custom tagging for extra flexibility. So you can see right here, these are different features that are offered, and this is what they have actually named these features, and it looks like a periodic table, doesn't it? So you know what, let's do some keyword research, and I'm just gonna click on access keyword intelligence. So once I do that, now I will be able to do keyword research on BIQ. So BIQ is actually very good for your blogs, and if for free you can actually do a lot of researches. You can see you're using a free tier account, you have 2020 free searches available. Now 2020 free searches mean that if I'm writing, like for example you're writing 2 blogs per day, that's what people actually write. Maybe you're writing 3 articles per day or 2 articles per day. So you will be able to do keyword researches right here very easily on BIQ, and it will have all of these results from all of these different platforms and these blogs and articles that you can actually that can help you gain SEO, that will help you improve the SEO of your website and your content. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you can actually do the keyword research. So let's just say that I was writing a article about fashion. I was writing a fashion blog, and I'm thinking that is the word fashion. My keyword research is fashion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click fashion, and I'm gonna find keywords for this. And there you go. You can see right here, I have added the word fashion right here. So the keyword is fashion. Location, they're showing me from United States, and language is English. Now you can see this is the trend of this word, which has increased in October, and then now it has a little decrease. But you can see right here, the monthly volume is 13500. Cost per click is 0.69, and other related keywords. This is what I was looking for. So we're doing keyword research. We want to know what are the other words that are trending, what are the other words that I can use. So you can see right here that I will just scroll down, and you can see fashion, everyday fashion, fashion shop, and Paris Fashion Week, luxury fashion brands, luxury fashion brand, sale. So these are different kind of words that have been trending, but the word on top is actually the word fashion. So that's pretty good. And you can see the overview of this word is given right here. This is the keyword related keywords, where you will actually see the related keywords for this word, and you can see total search volume is 12 million. CPC is 0.66. Average competition for this keyword is 38%. And you can see all of this keyword intent right here. Now, if I want content ideas, now that's a good thing about BIQ. That's why I liked BIQ for blogs and for our articles, because it's also gonna give you content ideas, I can go ahead and check out that what are the ideas that are trending, what are the ideas that I can use for my blogs to stand out and attract audience. So I'm just going to click on content ideas, and this is what I'm getting: 76 content ideas, total search 5 million, CPC 0.8. And now you can see right here, California privacy rights and privacy policy. Now what's happening here is that you can check out the CPC for different content. You can see affiliate partnerships. It's the highest CPC is for the 6.32. Now I know I can do okay. You know what? I'm gonna do some blog about fashion affiliate marketing, or something related to affiliate partnerships. I can do affiliate marketing through fashion, or I can sell fashion products, I can do style products by affiliate marketing, because people are nowadays looking for affiliate programs and doing affiliate marketing. So that's how I will get the idea, and I will be able to know that what is the CPC for each keyword. And it's going to be very helpful for your blog. That's what I'm saying. BIQ actually allows you to go through all of these different things at once, and I'm doing this all for free, so that's pretty amazing. Now there is another option of popular questions. Now here I have added the word fashion, right? Now I will see all of the popular questions that people are actually asking, and that's a good thing for our SEO. That's a good thing for our keyword research, because I want to know what question people are asking, what people are actually looking for. And if my blog and my articles will be related to that, my article and blogs will have those answers, then I'm gonna get traffic and I will improve my SEO, my CPC will increase. So you can see right here, these are the different questions that people have been asking. What is the true meaning of fashion? What should I buy for summer 2021? Now look at this. This is amazing, right? What are the 5 types of fashion? What is fashion explained? Why is fashion so important? Now I can actually, I have an idea that people are looking for this, and these are the questions that are trending. So what's going to happen? They have actually, given me other blogs as well, where people have actually, used the high CPC blogs. This is where they're actually showing me my competition, that and you can see right here, they're saying that CPC is 0.69, but the competition paid. They're not showing me right now because of course, security reasons or whatever, privacy reasons. But people are actually making money from these words, from these keywords, by answering these questions. So I can do that. I can write a blog for what is the style for 2021. That's what I wanted, right? I'm writing a blog about fashion. I can write about this and I can be trending. I can have high CPC. I will be able to improve my SEO. That's what we want. So this is the way how BIQ, a research tool, helps you in your keyword research, in increasing your SEO of the website, in bringing traffic to your blog and helping you increase your CPC. That's how BIQ is helping you, and that's why I liked BIQ and I wanted to show you. Then if I go to trending searches, now this is also an amazing thing that BIQ allows you to check out. 40 trending searches, you can see right here. Now they're actually showing me the results for top trending searches, what people have actually searched for. So I will be able to get an idea that okay, this is trending and I should change my plans to this, and this is the CPC for this is the average competition, and I will be able to again increase SEO and bring traffic to my blog. So once you're done with your keyword research, if you want to do something else, for example, you wanted to check out the content intelligence, or you wanted to rank your tracking, so you will simply click on rank tracking and you will be able to do that as well. So this is where you can actually, add the domain name for your website or your blog, and you can actually, track the ranking for that particular website or blog. And but you'll have to, if you do not have any profile, any domain, you can actually create new right now. And also all of these things that I'm showing you, they are free, but if you subscribe to their other plans, then of course you're gonna get unlimited access and you will be able to do a lot more with BIQ. But for free you can actually do a lot. So this is how you actually use BIQ. It's super easy to use, and it will really help you increase the SEO of your blog. You can do keyword research, content intelligence, rank tracking, and other things as well. So yeah guys, I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know that you can actually avail this research tool for your blog for free in 2021. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.